What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping into the next one on our Steven Seagulls journey with Noora Eden. Let's jump in. Let's check it out together. You guys requested it. If you enjoy it, get over and show all of the artists some love. All the links you need are right there inside of the description. Let's see what we got. Let's jump in. Let's check it out together. Let's roll. Come here. Come here.
When the tears are in your eyes,
I see the darkness in your eyes. I feel the spark of life go weaker in your restless soul. I can hear your fading cries, a relentless wail now going on and on. When the tears are in your eyes, you sing a drunken lullaby, and the weight of the world comes crashing down your spine. Now remember what's inside, the warmth that made you smile, and rise up high towards the golden sky. You're Eden.
This is 110,000% different than the normal Steven Seagulls. Normally we hear that fast-paced jamboree kind of music. Like, this is another side of them that we haven't seen yet. A deep, deep song. Definitely one. I don't know. I think it's really cool. I heard that they were going to cover it and she said she would come sing with them. So that's kind of awesome in the first place. Like, this is something way different, but way beautiful.
You're Eden. Blood is gushing from your palms. Your feeble heart is breaking, your soul reduced to ash. Pictures racing through your mind, dearest memories from not so long ago. When the tears are in your eyes, you sing a drunken lullaby, and the weight of the world comes crashing down your spine. Now remember what's inside, the warmth that made you smile, and rise up high towards the golden sky. You're Eden.
There it is. There it is. Holy shit. I felt like I was watching a different group altogether in the beginning. Like, this was a on really real side of Steven Seagulls. Normally we get to see them having fun and just kind of jamming out, being twangy. I thought they were from like Louisiana or some shit when we first saw them. This is absolutely spectacular. And now it seems like we're gonna finally get to jump into those kind of Steven Seagulls that we remember, how they would change, how they would do it their way. Like, I definitely enjoy the twangy fun. This was just a way different way to see them. Shit. Add a little bit of everything. Oh, the song's over, so you're leaving? Go on. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Steven Seagulls, Noora, Louhimo. Definitely get over it. Check out all of the artists. Go show the love. Absolutely a song I will listen to 100 times. Totally Steven Seagulls, but not Steven Seagulls. And I can dig that 100%. I like people having versatility, having multiple things about them. They're not just some band that does a lot of fun, uppity, bouncing around, jamboree style covers. Sometimes, obviously, they can get very, very real. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you go show the love. The link is inside the description. I've been subbed up. I've already hit the like button. Do your part. Do the same. It's right there. Hit the like button here if you liked it. The dislike button, but I won't believe you. Check out the other video over there. Tell the names from Highly Combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. Love you to the moon and back. Peace.